Hi, everyone. This is Vicky from OsseoLabs. We provide personalized bone implants and surgical solutions for complicated surgeries through the use of 3D printing, biomaterials, and AI. First, who are we? We are a company based out of Thailand. Oops. We are a company based out of Thailand. We have done a lot of work in the titanium space with 37 solutions, and 16 of which will be FDA cleared later this year. And we are on track to be the first to provide personalized bioresorbable magnesium alloy implants that can fully biodegrade in the body and fully validated in patient at the beginning of next year and to be FDA cleared before year end. We found two big problems in this space. First, most conventional implants are not personalized, which leads to fitting issues, but this one can easily be solved with 3D printing, and 3D printing of titanium has been around for a long time. But if titanium is used, whatever goes into the body stays there forever because titanium cannot biodegrade, and that's not good for the patient. What we found is 1/5 of the patients eventually have to go through a second surgery to remove the implants, which is costly and painful. And the market size for that alone is already $3 billion combined. We repeat the same workflow for all our solutions that we have, both titanium and magnesium, and it's a combination of software, surgical instruments, and also implants. So first, we plan the surgery with the surgeon. Say, for example, the patients have a cancer in his jaw, right, which needs to be cut out. So we plan the surgery with the surgeons. They tell us where they want to cut the bones. So we use AI to design two things. First, we make personalized surgical instruments, fully 3D printed, fully personalized, so cutting is more precise and fast. And then we 3D print fully personalized fixation plates, 3D printed to the exact contour of the patient jawline. No guesswork, no time wasted. The video is not working, so we repeat the same workflow for other solutions as well. So this one is the patients who want to relocate the jaw because jaws are misaligned. We have cutting guides, surgical instruments, and also implants in titanium or magnesium. So we have done more than 200 cases inpatient in Thailand, and the results from the surgeons have been very positive. So we can cut down the surgery time by more than half and cut down the surgical bills by more than 17%. And thanks to our AI, we can design each personalized implants in less than 1 hour, which is 90% faster than before. Right now, we have 37 titanium products in the portfolio, 19 in the CMF segment. We have hips, knees, and joint as well, and also dental. All of the products that we made have been used in patients, and the CMF segment is on track to be FDA cleared before year end. We have done 200 cases to date, and so far, 0 complication. All the surgeons like the products, and they keep coming back asking for more. So 100 surgeon satisfaction rate at this point. So we have helped some patients who would otherwise have to amputate her leg, and then now she can start walking again. So we have a full team of 29 staff based in Thailand. I'm the only one in the US heading the company. And we have 6 advisors from Johns Hopkins, NC State on the technical side, and lots of surgeons in Thailand as well. We have lots of partners worldwide from top medical schools in the US, like Johns Hopkins, MUSC, to Premier Engineering School in NC State. We have lots of partners in Europe and Singapore, in Thailand as well. We are heavily backed by the Thai government. So far, we have received more than $4 million in grants from the Thai government. We are raising $4 million mainly to expand into new markets in Europe, in the Middle East, and also to finalize our magnesium and also AI solutions to get ready to expand into the US market. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Vic.